A pleasant greetings to all. In this video, I am going to explain how the state model is derived from the transfer function. Obtain the state model for the system described by the transfer function y of s divided by u of s equal to 1 divided by s cube plus 6s square plus 10s plus 5. Once again, I am going to write the same equation y of s divided by u of s equal to 1 divided by s cube plus 6s square plus 10s plus 5. I am going to cross multiplying this equation. So what is the new equation? Y of s into s cube plus 6s square plus 10s plus 5 equal to u of s. Now expand the equation. So y of s cube into y of s plus 6s square into y of s plus 10s into y of s plus 5 into y of s equal to u of s. On taking inverse Laplace transformation of the above equation, we'll get y triple dot. Y triple dot means d cube y by dt cube plus 6 into y double dot plus 10 into y dot plus 5 into y equal to u. Next, let us assume the state variables. The state variables are x1, x2 and x3, that is corresponding to the order of the equation. Okay, now have to assume x1 equal to y. So what is x1 dot equal to y dot and assign another one state variable x2. And next x1 double dot equal to y double dot equal to x2 dot equal to x3. Next x1 triple dot, because we are having y triple dot, so once again we are going to differentiate. So x2 dot equal to x3 dot. Now we will get three equations. x1 dot equal to x2. Next x2 dot equal to x3. And next we have to find out the x3 dot value. So x3 dot value we are going to find out from this equation. So what is y triple dot? Y triple dot equal to x3 dot. X3 dot. Plus what is y double dot? Y double dot equal to x3. So 6 into x3. Plus what is y dot? Y dot equal to x2. So 10 into x2. Plus what is y? Y is equal to x1. So 5x1 equal to u. How to write x3 dot now? That is minus 5x1 minus 10x2 minus 6x3 plus u. Now we have to write the state model of the equation. So how to write the state model? In the left hand side we have to write x1 dot, x2 dot and x3 dot. On the right hand side we have to write the values. Okay. So left hand side write x1 dot, x2 dot and x3 dot. That should be equivalent to, what is the state model? x1, x2, x3. We have written in the matrix form. Here matrix, then write u. So what is x1 dot? x1 dot is x2. So we have to put Instead of x2, you have to put 1, remaining all are set to 0. Then x2 dot. What is x2 dot? x2 dot is equal to x3. So here x3 put 1, remaining terms are set to 0. What is x3 dot? x3 dot is minus 5x1 minus 10x2 minus 6x3. Here the first equation there is no u term. Put 0. For the second equation also there is no u term. But third equation we are having the input u, that is 1. Put the value as 1. So this is the state equation. Okay, after finishing the state equation, we have to find out the output equation. So what is output equation? Y is equal to x1. So how to write in a matrix form? In x1 you have to put 1. Remaining variables are set to 0. And here write x1, x2, x3. Okay, in this way we have derived the state model from the transfer function. Thank you. Have a nice day.